If one kiss and then we sever, if you will and then further, deep in heart-wrung tears I'll pledge thee, war in sighs and groans I'll wage thee. Wha shall say that fortune grieves him, files a star of hope she leaves him, me nae chief whose wing collects me, dark despair around benects me. I'll ne'er blame my partial fancy, Nathan could resist my Nancy, but to see her was to love her, love but her and love forever. Had we never loved so kindly, had we never loved so blindly, never met or never parted, we'd nae been so broken-hearted. Fare thee weel, thou first and fairest, fare thee weel, thou best and dearest, thine be ilka joy and treasure, peace, enjoyment, love and pleasure. If one kiss and then we sever, if you will, alas, forever, deep in heart-wrung tears I'll pledge thee, warring sighs and groans I'll wait.